In this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy S smartphone. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to the screen you want to capture. It can be anything from a game to settings or any other screen you'd like to screenshot. Once you're on the desired screen, quickly press and release the power button and volume down button simultaneously on your phone. You'll notice a flash or a quick animation at the bottom of the screen, indicating that the screenshot has been captured successfully. If you wish to edit the screenshot, simply tap on it. Now, you can make edits to your screenshot. You have the option to crop a specific part of the screenshot, add text, or even erase parts of the image if needed. After you're done editing, tap on the Save button to save your screenshot. And there you have it! Your screenshot is saved and ready to be accessed in your phone's gallery or screenshot folder. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.